Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix .NET 3.5 Windows 11 installation errors 0x800F0950. So guys, to resolve this issue, just follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on Start, then type CMD. Now right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Now here guys, you have to type two command. You can copy from description link. So right click here, edit and paste. So this is the first command I will give in description. So copy and paste here, then press enter. Now wait till this process will complete, and it will take couple of minutes. Now once guys you see this complete, so copy and paste second command line, then press enter. Now press enter. Now again guys, you have to wait couple of minutes, and once this complete, close it and restart your PC. And after restart, you can fix and resolve .NET 3.5 Windows 11 installation error 0x800F0950. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.